In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an estimate in Stack, a tool many of you might already be familiar with for project management and estimation. Before we dive into the specifics, make sure you're logged into your Stack account. If you haven't already, head over to the Stack login page. You can easily access this by entering the standard Stack login URL in your browser. Once you're there, simply click on the Login with Google option. This streamlines the process by letting you use your Google account credentials for access, saving you from managing multiple passwords. Now that we're logged in, let's move on to the more hands-on part of our guide, selecting your project of interest. On your Stack dashboard, navigate to the Projects section. Here, you'll see a list of all your active projects. Click on the one you intend to work with. This will take you directly to the project overview, which is an important hub containing all the information related to your ongoing tasks. After you're in your project, the next step is to find and click on the Estimates tab. This tab is crucial as it's dedicated to all things related to project budgeting and cost estimation. Once you've opened the Estimates section, you'll be greeted with an overview of any prior estimates, as well as the option to create something new. To do this, simply click on New Estimate. Doing so will begin a fresh estimate form, allowing you to input all relevant data effectively. Following the setup of a new estimate, you'll want to switch to the worksheet view. This view is essential as it's where you focus on the granular details of your estimate. Here you have the flexibility to edit various components like purchase quantity, rate, and unit cost. Adjusting the purchase quantity means you're modifying how much of a resource you require. In the same light, editing the rate allows you to specify the cost per unit of your resources, while modifying the unit cost provides a way to reflect changes in the overall budget. Once you've meticulously checked and adjusted these entries to suit your project budget, you might want to export your estimate for sharing purposes or record keeping. For exporting, locate the three dots in the upper right corner of your screen. Clicking on these dots will open up a menu where you'll find the Export option. After clicking Export, you'll have the ability to select from various file types to suit your needs, whether it's a PDF for easy sharing or an Excel file for more detailed analysis. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to creating and managing estimates in Stack. With these steps, you can ensure your project stays within budget and you're prepared for any financial forecast that comes your way. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one.